With the clouds just skimming across the plateau, Dolly Sods transformed into a surreal dreamscape. On the north side of parking, the bouldery trails up to bare rocks vanished into a void of mist. And to my south and west, the barrens of Dolly Sods rolled into distant valleys. And all around, the most striking feature was the endless blanket of red blueberry and huckleberry shrubs in their seasonal color.